Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another trading session. Uh, well, I'll focus a lot on scalping today because not too many things to do. And even if we are looking from a higher perspective time frame, taking consideration that we just made a bearish fair value gap here, I think the bias should be to the downside. I think we should go here, 81,700. But we'll go through that one. Let's get everyone on board. Let's get everyone on board, and then we can discuss more about this ones. Uh, hmm, 1 second, please. Good morning. Hey, BJ. Good morning. Good morning. Well, I thought that I had an issue with the stream because I saw no comments and I saw no one speaking. And I thought there is an issue with my stream. But yeah, there's no issue, no? And it scares me. What the hell is going on? I have to reset this. Yeah, all good. That's perfect. All right, let's shout out. All right. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it scared me for a moment. I was like, what the hell? What is going on? Where is my crew? Where are my people? Hello, Dennis. Bukur, hello, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Range, 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 range. Value area low here. We are exactly at value area low. There is a pretty high probability to go for this POC here, but yeah, let's wait for everyone to hop up and then we can deep dive into what we can do today, what setups can we take, what I see on the market, and stuff like that. So let's give it, I don't know, 22, let's give it 3 more minutes until everyone hops up. 4 hour low, previous 4 hour low here. Um, I was thinking of taking a long here, potential 3 drives. But you see, we made equal lows. Look at this one. Previous 4 hour low here. This low, 1, 2, 3, 4 lows. I'm not that sure. And it was swept. I'm not a big fan of this kind of sweep though. With absolutely no strength. Good idea. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey Alex. Hello, hello, hello. Nice having you guys on board. Uh, let's wait 2 more minutes. Then we can start. Well, definitely this previous SNR would be a nice shorting opportunity. I can see daily open is here too, so Asia high also, not bad. Not bad at all, so around here. We just deviated the previous 4-hour high. Here you can see the previous 4-hour high. Maybe we swing failure and take London high once again. Maybe. And we have sort of a 3 drives. And I will short with the take profit here in this fair value gap. I think so. Not a bad idea. But I would short only if I see a deviation back below. Maybe something like this. Let's see, 2-1 maybe, at least. Yeah, even a 3-1 I think is nicely, it's doable. Something like this. But I'll take it only if we deviate back under. And then we can switch to the long side. Maybe we can hunt something like this. Keep in mind, I'm on 5 minutes. I might be looking for something like this. Let me get the other computer so I can get the comments up. Because I don't want to have the comments on the same laptop that I'm streaming. Because I thought initially that I have some issues with the stream. As no one was speaking, no one was commenting, no one was making noise, and I was like, what the hell is going on? So yeah, but happily, there's no issue with it. I thought that I put it on private or something like that. All right. Put the YouTube on the MacBook. And let's start. Good morning. So we have 40 people and only 13 likes. Guys, we can solve that problem, no? Let's get at least 30 likes. My threshold would be 50, but slowly but surely. So okay, we can actually start to make some plans. We can actually start to be creating some looking for some setups. All right, ready? So my bias 135 minutes is short. So what I would look for, it's actually a potential 3 drives here. And reclaim back below the 4-hour FEG here. You see the previous 4-hour high. Let me show you why I'm looking for a potential short. As you can see, we just left a 4-hour FEG, but the issue is that we swing failure Monday low, which is here, and we have a nice buyout. You can see the buy pressure on this candle is pretty high. Don't hold too long your bias. So the idea is that technically speaking, we should fill part of this FEG, maybe even take the high of the FEG, take the ASIA high at the daily open, tap. We have golden pocket in this area too. Then dump, take this previous 4-hour ASIA low into the 4-hour FEG, and then reverse to the upside. In my brain, everything makes sense. I don't know if it makes sense for you, but in my brain, it does make sense. So here along, let's put a horizontal alarm. Okay. Boom. Another one here at the ASIA high and daily open. All right. Those would be like higher time frame kind of trades. The ideal scenario would be um, pump a little bit, dump a little bit, retest, pump again, dump. This would be the perfect scenario. And I will show you in 5 minutes what I mean with that. So the perfect scenario to nail all the moves, it's swing failure to equal highs, swing failure into a 3 drives here, get back below the previous 4-hour high, dump, retest Monday low, go and pump for Asia high, and do this. Liquidity wise, this is what markets should do. Now, this is my plan, and I will follow my plan. So now I'll just wait for my execution to happen, yeah? Um, so looking for something like this. Only if we swing failure and deviate back under, yeah? Sounds good, yeah? Good plan, good plan. I absolutely love planning. This is what makes me profitable. And you can see actually Ethereum has the 4-hour high unswept here. Let's see. All the same stuff. We have a 4-hour FEG and we have the Asia high here. Let's put some alarms. Potential inverse head and shoulder. We'll see. We'll see. All right. After I'll execute these trades. Deviation, I'm looking on 1-3 minutes. I'll go 1 minute, 3 minutes to see what we have there. Let me check if, well, guys, 37 people and only 22 likes. You can do better, no? I'm pretty sure that after we take some profits, you guys can do way better than this. Let's push it up. And one more thing. All right. Let's retweet the crap out of this one and like it if you didn't, please. All right, let's get back here. So if you didn't like it or retweet it, please do so. I'll focus more on Bitcoin because I think the structure is looking a little bit better. 15 minutes. The play definitely was here, so I'm not going to lie. I saw on Discord, I'm proud of you guys on the VIP. I'm really proud of you. I mean, that's the side that I'm managing. And I saw people, well, the plan which Stefan posted, it's triggering guys with swing failure Monday low. And I saw people longing Monday low here. And it was way too early. Actually, I was driving my daughter. And I saw people taking the long here. So I'm really proud of you. I saw BJ mentioning, guys. BJ, it's an ex Kapwatu student. They have a way better position than me. Technically speaking, don't need to retest all the way down this W. So you can only test the 61.8 golden pocket around here. But we'll see. Let's see. So how are you guys? Are you bored to death of this trading environment? or not? Not yet. And we swing failure. Let's see if we deviate back under. If not, just let it be. Don't short now. Yeah, that's good. If you guys are learning, if you guys are plan, man, as I said, don't short. Just wait. Okay, so Ethereum just took the 4-hour high here. Let's see the reactions. Yeah, it's pushing. It's pushing quite aggressively, especially Bitcoin here. So there is a probability it goes straight for Asia high, but we'll take it from there. So it's not a big problem. We'll take it from there. But Ethereum is quite rejected. That's not happening. Actually, this was looking like a bot. I didn't manage to take it, like an AB equals CD setup, but it is what it is. Too late now. So if I'm looking at the target, it would imply exactly here at the Asia high, Asia high. Yeah, Ethereum is just lagging hard. Exactly. That's what it usually does. But I already see a setup on Ethereum. It depends on how high and aggressive it might go, but I already see some equal lows made here at the London low. You can see one, two, two, three equal lows here at the London low. So there is a pretty high probability maybe we sweep these ones at the New York trading session around here. And until then, maybe we can push or even this equal lows, the 4-hour Asia low. We'll see. I'm not. So we close the 30 minutes candle right now. Yeah. The FEG is still there. Yeah, we can push a little bit higher here in the mid range. Definitely this channel is not respected anymore. We just broke out of it. But what I'm usually looking at, it's this channel from the pivot low, which created a new high. So we might be speaking about this one here. Yes, a few 83,500. Yeah, that's a good point. I already have it here highlighted. Yeah, that's a good one. So we can speak about this one. Let's see if it deviates under the previous 4-hour high or it stays there. How do we manage it? How do we know if it gets rejected? I don't know. How do we know that? The question is not asked properly. Is there any deviation? So in case that the price is just failing to hold above the previous 4-hour high, it will start closing the candle back inside the range. And what it means that we will be speaking about an internal liquidity range here. So most likely the price will get back inside the range and attack the 61.8 or maybe even the lows. Right now I'm hinting this 15 minutes FVG. If you ask that question, it means that you don't trade usually. So I would advise, I mean, I'm not advising anything, but what I would do is actually I wouldn't trade. If I'm not a trader, I wouldn't trade. Yeah, well, I know that. I know that, judging by the question. Well, everyone started at some point, definitely, but don't try to trade what I'm doing right now, please. Because most likely you don't even, not necessarily that you don't know how to use a stop loss, but most likely you will do some mistakes and you can easily wreck your account. Well, guys, I shorted 0.25 of the position. I will add if I see the aggressive reclaim back. 0.25 for the moment. We reclaimed back below the previous 4-hour high as I was planning. So it looks like a 3 drives for the moment. We need to wait a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, we rejected quite aggressively here, mainly Ethereum. But I would look for a long here at the London low sweep. Well, for the moment it sits there. Okay, I took it 0.25 risk. This one, I'm waiting for this fair value gap to be filled here on 15 minutes. Okay, let's see maybe some altcoins. Let's go on daily on altcoins. Maybe we have some nice Monday low sweeps. But I would like to get out everything because I'm not interested. And that would be it. Just for okay. All right. Let's see. The previous day low swept here on dot. Nice hype. Let's see hype. Well, it took Monday low. Look at this reaction. Real nice reaction on oh, I like it on hype. And it's already played out. I'm a bit late to the party, but it is what it is. But I'm pretty happy that I saw you guys taking lots of setups with the Monday low this morning. Yeah, all the altcoins are holding pretty nice the Monday low. Pretty nice. Beta, it's not holding it. Aptos is looking good. Aptos is looking good. Look at this one. 4 hours. Yeah, yeah. Well, from what I observed is that Aptos, it's exhausted. The sellers are exhausted, and I saw pretty nice bounces on Aptos. I nibbled spot, but I don't have anything on uh, any position on futures right now. But I saw Aptos, it's pretty strong. Hey Richard, hey Richard Keys, long time no see. Previous 4 hour, yeah, field is not moving. Doge, previous 4 hour high. We have a rejection here. It looks like a power of three. Ooh, no, it's not looking. Actually, it can look like a head and shoulder if we bounce off this area. Hmm, not looking bad. Not looking bad. Now let's wait. I definitely want to long, but let's get to that 61.8 golden pocket. Let's get a nice reaction there. Then maybe it can go higher. It can also be the probability that it trade dumps. But order flow speaking, it's the 4 hour FEG, which is bearish, against the Monday low sweep, which is bullish. So I don't know who will win. You get the idea. You can see here the 4 hour, the Monday low sweep, really nice reaction. And we have the 4 hour FEG here. Yeah, many people are long from this previous day low sweep. I saw a lot of people getting long there, so that's a good idea. Not bad at all. Not bad. This is how the market should move. That's my 2 cents. Maybe swing failure this equal high. If this is not enough, try one more time an aggressive pump to the upside and then reject aggressively. It can happen. And then get back under uh, and then dump here. Let's see. You can see 15 minutes. It's already swing failure in the previous highs. Oh, let's make a coffee. Ethereum is way weaker than Bitcoin, so maybe it would have been a better idea to take this swing failure. The issue with Ethereum, what I have is that the risk to reward is not there. Or it is, depends on. Actually, it was there. 2.51. But I think the stop loss would have been very narrow and the position size would have been huge. Yeah. I saw Tolga posting a nice setup last night, and Tolga is nailing the late New York session. Let me find it on Discord. Really nice setup posted last night. I saw he started to get to understand the late New York session reversal. 84,245. 84,245. 245, yeah, somewhere around here. And TP, I think it was on this draw of liquidity. Let me check it out. Yeah, 82,000. Nice one. A really nice one. I saw some people took it with him. Beautiful setup, clear one. Let's check it out. Hey, Tolga, you're here. I saw you really start enjoying the late New York session. It's very good for reversal, very good because they are closing the position. That's the logic behind the reversal that happens usually. So delivery, I explained this in Capo at you a lot. Delivery, it's insanely important when you're scalping. So you want to put your hour on. You want to look at your watch, have a watch on your hand. Then you put your hour on New York and you start looking at the areas where New York gets open. Yeah, and usually you have a 2 to 4 hours delivery time, which you see here is started here and ended here, 3 hours, and then actually they are closing the positions. You're very smart, and I admire the fact that you managed to stay dedicated to that one, Tolga. I know it took some time, but now maybe you can observe that how strong it is to focus on exactly the same specific pattern over and over and over and over again. How strong it is. And we are making a little M here on Bitcoin, 5 minutes. I'm already short. Maybe I will add to my position so I'm 0.5. That would be a 2.2 R with a TP in 61.8 equal the pocket. Not bad. But what I'll do is actually I'll calculate this position and I will add to the short in order that if I get a stop loss from this position, the short will how do you say will cover for the loss of the long, because there is a very high probability. I told you that right now we have a fight between the 4 hour yeah, the 4 hour FEG violation, and you can see here it's a key level S and R. You can see we had resistance here, support, resistance, support, and now I think it turned it again in resistance. So this area it's a key S and R, S and D, you name it. So logically would be to look at the next one, which is around here. Yeah. Speaking about zones, now you go on 5 minutes and you'll see the blue zone, it's actually in confluence with this 61.8. Okay. I really like your late New York reversal setup, Tolga. Very nice. Keep it up. The issue which I have with this long is that if we start dumping now, we will not reverse and go straight up in the same session. Actually, how it works is that you have one session, London, which delivers a consolidation. Then you have New York, which is delivering a reversal, yeah, potential pump or dump. It depends a lot. So what I'm thinking now is that if we start dumping, we might dump all until the New York session. Add the lows here. This one. I know you highlighted these levels to Tolga. I saw you posted something. Or even 79,000 because we aimed that level for a long period of time. We're aiming 79,000 since, I don't know, last week. We have already 10 days or 8 days since we are waiting for 79,000. Yeah. Well, we have some rejections on Ethereum, definitely. And they are stronger than on Bitcoin. Let me check others because I have the impression that altcoins they are stronger than Bitcoin. Yeah. I mean, look at altcoins. I'm just taking others as an example. And look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin just deviated under the previous 4-hour high. And look at altcoins. They are consolidating above the previous 4-hour high. So Bitcoin is here basically making an M. Altcoins are here consolidating. So we already have some decorrelation. Altcoins are holding better for the moment. Yeah, for the moment. I'm speaking about 5 minutes, not about high time frame. All right, let's see how 37 likes and 57 people. Guys, smash that like button. Let's get 50 likes. I know we can do that. So let's get 50 likes. How do you like it, guys? More white, like this, flashbang? Or you want me to go back to the dark color? This one, I don't know, it's just maybe new. But when I change the monitor, I feel like go back. Go back, go back, go back. Okay, okay. Flashbang. You know, when you're playing Counter-Strike when you were a kid and they gave you a flashbang? That's true. And they gave you a flashbang. That's how you guys felt. Yeah. All right. Well, what I don't like for the moment is that, I mean, even Ethereum, someone posted on X. It was really in the morning, and someone said that Monday low was swept on Ethereum, and I remember that I was having this one highlighted, and it wasn't swept. I don't know what levels are people using, but we have a clear SMT between Ethereum and Bitcoin. What that means, it means that Ethereum is way stronger than Bitcoin right now. And you can see actually that Ethereum has London previous day low, it's exactly at 78.6. And you know how much Ethereum loves 78.6. That's why I think going with straight with a shark here, yeah, with a 991, like a greedier stop loss below this previous low, maybe. And hunting for a 4.58 R, it's not a bad idea. And that would actually bring Bitcoin all the way down, maybe to the previous week mid-range or even the swing failure of 79,000. So I'm seeing a potential dump, guys. I'm seeing a potential dump. And it's actually very good because if we are dumping before 4MC, there is plenty of room for us to go up. Nice. I saw your plan. I saw your plan, Tolga. And you guys nailed that Monday low long. You guys nailed it. I'm so proud of you guys. I saw everyone took it in the morning. I saw you, BJ, speaking about it. Really nice, guys. Really nice. Really, really damn nice. I think you, Tolga, and BJ were in the same class, if I'm not wrong, no? In Kapatu. Really nice trades. Well done. Okay. Well, I'm still waiting here. I didn't do this one on Ethereum. It's kind of annoying when you have this SMT. It means that a big move is coming. So as I told you, you can see Bitcoin took the New York low. Ethereum didn't took the New York low. The Monday low, sorry. So quite an aggressive move will be happening soon. And we close the hourly candle. Let's check it out. Okay, 4 hours, 3 hours. Yeah, we closed the 3 hours. Yeah, we have a rejection here in the 3 hours FEG. Few hours is not yet closed. 1 hour it's closed with swing failure. This flat top. You have a 3 bar fractal, a bullish one. But I want to long here. No, I want to long straight on 1 hour like this. No, the risk to reward is not there. So let's go lower. PJ mentioned about the swing failure of this high, but we already have an M here. I don't know, PJ, you shorted this M. You can see that it's swing failure the previous 4 hour high. You got to confirm them. I took it. Yeah, definitely. I mean, I'm looking for a long here. After we dump, I'll be looking for a long around here. Hey. And we should pump into 84,100, something like that, at daily open Asia high. I'll be looking for a long around here. $38 likes. Come on, guys. Can't we push it to 50? London open, New York open. Actually, these are key levels on low time frame, so it would be nice to for the short side actually to get below them. I don't like the fact that we are consolidating too much here and we're not breaking down. I don't like it at all. Let's check maybe some altcoins. Litecoin is looking good. Look at this 15 minutes W. Not bad. Range game. You can see range lows. Swing failure of this one actually. Let's check. Maybe it was Monday low. Come on, give me the levels. Previous day low. Ooh. Actually, we are below Monday low. I'm not interested in that one. Tau is in a triangle here. I'm not a fan of touching it. Tia had a really nice previous day low sweep here. Actually, we can look for a setup on Tia. Delete that one. Looks like a power of 3. Looks like a power of 3. 1, 2, 3 equal lows. Maybe swing failure of that pivot low. Look for this one. Yeah, I'll take this long on Tia. Yeah, exactly, Menace. Internal liquidity range. There you go. You're spending enough time that you're learning. I'm proud of that. You're paying attention. That's good. What I'm blabbing away. 1, 2, 3 equal lows, even this one, previous day low swept. And we can look for this area of key SNR level. Yeah, I'll take this Tia. I'll take this Tia. Target, previous day high. 5.97. Actually, we can give it some room for the lows. We can take out maybe 1R, 5.9, 4.9 to give it some room. I'm going to take this one. Let's copy it, post it. Yeah, long. I'm going to give it some room here. Take profit, previous day high. Quick scalp. Yeah, I think even LJ is no, I neither. I see it's not going. And we have 3 equal highs here. So it should go for that 4-hour high. Well, this is my settings. Take a print screen and I put it from the low to the high. Depends what I want, short or long. All right. Yeah, Tia, man, I like this one a lot. I like this one a lot. We have a setup on Tia. Let's go. Maybe we can find something on Dot. Previous 4-hour low. No, not interesting. I said hype. It had a nice setup here. Nah, too many equal lows here. Look at the previous 4-hour low. Equal lows all the way down. No, thank you. 4-hour. No, thank you. No. Trump. Yeah, looks like a head and shoulders here. XRP. Aptos pushing. Litecoin trying to reclaim the previous day low. Well, not too many things, guys. Not too many things. I think I'll sit. Tia just. I see Tia had a 15 minutes FEG. How I ignore that? Yeah. So it might be the fact that we have expansion right from this FEG. It depends a lot on how strong the bulls are. So if we have a delivery straight from this 50 minutes FEG? Yeah, it can be. And you can see we can speak about this bigger W. But I don't know if I would take it all the way down here, the stop loss. That would mean only 2.49 R. It can be, it can be. So it depends on on how aggressive you're trading. See, it took these highs. Boring, 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 boring. We had an initial pump, but I think it was more due to the liquidation levels, not due to the fact that I don't know, a lot of people started taking long positions. I think people were liquidated, which they had the stop loss or the liquidation level around here at the previous day low. That's all. But it's losing steam. I don't like. Well, at least we have found some setups. I like this one a lot on TIA. Hopefully it will work now. I don't have a crystal ball. And PJ's crystal ball is broken as far as I know. To know if this one will win or it will fail. I get this question quite often. Hey, will that setup work? Yeah, let me check the Delphi Oracle and I'll get back to you. I'll check out with the Delphi Oracle and he will tell me. Definitely. Boring. Come on, Bitcoin. I know you can dump in 61.8, so I can get a feel on TIA. So I can get a feel on TIA. I know that you guys which are long here from the bottom, you don't want you don't want the price lower. That's funny. Yeah, the move was led more by the liquidations than by the people opening longs here. And the stupid people that were shorting. There's a lot of people shorting like this. So damn boring. Since I opened the live, absolutely nothing happened. I did observe that in the last after the New Year's Eve. Anyway, I'm not taking in account January because January is one of the worst months that you can ever trade. But the liquidity changed from being delivered at London to being delivered at Asia, especially, and at near trading session. So London, it's kind of meh. It is what it is. It is what it is. Hey Fidel. Well, I posted on VIP. Yeah, Fidel. I like Tia a lot. I like this setup a lot. But no, I took this little short scalp on a 3 minutes deviation, but now it's back above the previous 4 hour high. I don't know. Boring as crap. It's boring as crap. PJ, do you have any setup? More eyes, the better. Guys, let me know if you found any altcoin or you found any scalp or not necessarily scalp, but let's see, maybe you have some ideas. I'll be looking over it. Looks like the volatility it's out for the moment. SFU, yeah, same one, yeah. Yeah, PJ was mentioning the same thing, Fidel. Maybe after 4MC we can really start pushing the pedal and trade accordingly to our plans and have the desired volatility. Because right now it's not that great. Yeah, we made some money because I mean yesterday, remember this one? I actually took on Ethereum if I'm not wrong, whatever, but it was the same setup. So yesterday we made some money with this long and was a nice one, but that would be all. Not too many things were happening. I like the strength of DOT too, Catharsis. I really like it. And DOT is an old shitcoin. Everyone forgot about it and they don't care about it too much. So maybe. Yeah, it's pretty difficult. The setups, we are lacking setups because of the location. We found ourselves most of the times. I mean, the last good long which we took was Ethereum at 1,700. So this one here, 1,771. This was the last nice long that we took. And indeed, we had the opportunity to short. I know PJ gave a swing failure last week. Can't remember where it was, around here, 14 March or 11, yeah. Tudum. I think I mentioned this swing failure here at 1,800. I think we actually took it, if I'm not wrong. Yes, I'm looking to long here. Actually, man, I forgot to post it. Yeah, I will post after. I'll post after the live stream, but let's post it now actually. So definitely I will go with a limit long order here on Ethereum at 78.6. We have a key horizontal level. We can see even this week has tested the liquidity deep into this discount zone and it found a lot of buyers. So I think the buyers will be stepping back in. Hey, Ezekiel. Hey, man. Nice having you on board, man. How are you? Found any nice setups? Nice having you here. So I think this one is a no-brainer to go with, especially due to the fact that we kind of left some liquidity here at the highs. So if market makers, I saw yesterday, Horse posted about the Iron Condor and the premium. Well, that's something more advanced, but the thing is that they're trying to keep the market in a range. And why they are doing that is because most likely they'd like to accumulate and do their cards because of the expiration dates and the premiums that they get. So if they are keeping the market in a range, then we can take advantage of that. All right. So first area definitely to look for a long it's here, 1,878 bucks. Actually, you can see that this is the pivot low from which all this impulsive movement started. Yeah. And also you can see that we have lack of retest to the upper part. So that makes me think, okay, we might do a potential AB equals CD here, get this long, but all this liquidity will be taken. And now we need to think, well, if it will be taken, how do I take advantage and how do I position myself to ride that specific move to the upside and liquidate all these fuckers here that entered short market. Get the idea? So this one is a very good uh, setup. Just my 2 cents. Let's post it. Ethereum long. You're making a YouTube or a stream? Tia dropping? Tia triggered? Oh, damn it. Guys, you guys are keeping me. Let's see, we take profit or we take a stop loss. Up to the market, guys. You know that. Up to the markets. 3, 3, 1. Up to the markets. Yeah. Didn't trigger it yet, but it's there. Now it triggered. It will get it. Now you have to pray not to take your stop loss, Del. Yeah, pray not to take your stop loss because it can easily take your stop loss. All right. So we have TIA here. Bitcoin is dumping. We have a nice reaction out on our short scenario, but keep in mind, I'm still expecting for the price to push for the Asia high. Well, that's the attitude, Fidel. You came a long way. You came a long way. When you stop caring about uh, a setup taking the loss, that's when you're one step closer on becoming a trader. Yeah. Only when you understand that. Now the thing is that we should see some strength on TIA because if Bitcoin is dumping, TIA should start holding around here. Got a Tolga short and Ethereum short yesterday. Nice, nice. Tolga nailed that short yesterday. It really nailed it here at the top. Tolga the killer. Well, he said, I'm Fidel. He said, you found any setups, Ezekiel? It's a dull market, I have to confess. And guys here, they know, man, I'm a machine gun when it comes to scalping. They are calling me Stefan Machine Gun. But yeah, jokes aside, I'm scalping. When it comes to scalping, I'm scalping and I'm taking lots of trades a day. But right now, it's dry as the Sahara Desert. Dry as the Sahara Desert. It's insane. Yeah, that's a very good point. It might be the fact that it might be the fact that we actually really hold this 1878, or maybe we even front run it a little bit, leaving some equal lows and pushing for the highs here on Ethereum. And even on Bitcoin, I might see Monday low holding, then go for the highs, create more liquidity. Yeah, that's a good point there. That's a good point. Wow, 1700, that would be nice, but I think tomorrow. I don't think today we'll have this kind of moves. But tomorrow, definitely, it's possible. I don't know. I posted a setup. Fidel, I pray with that. Yeah, that's the right thinking. Exactly. Dump today so we can pump in FOMC. Exactly. This motherfucker didn't hit 1 to 1, so I can make it risk-free. I have a limit sell, limit, yeah, buy actually. I want to make it risk-free at London low here near Copan. 1000% PNL. Tell me risk reward GC Ace. I have no idea what 1000% PNL means. That's not how professional trader calculates his PNL. Everything is related to risk to reward ratio. Could you please check Axel? Axel. AXL. Can you please also tell me the time frame on AXL? Not bad. Ain't looking bad. Not great, not terrible. Ugh, this is terrible. This is terrible. External low here. We have the external low. I don't like this one. You're at POC. You don't want to touch Axel right now. Well, what I can see happening, maybe a potential AB equals CD to the upside here and retest this previous supply area. But I don't like the fact that it's rejecting. Man, look at this 4-hour supply. So this 4-hour descending supply is there. And look at this selling pressure created. So we have a descending supply here. I don't know. I'm not touching it. I don't like it. Let's go 5 minutes. Maybe I'm missing something. You also didn't mention the time frame, so potential at 3 tap with this low, but you don't have liquidity because you can see actually they took all the liquidity before dropping. Even this one it's swept, so you can see this pivot high actually took all the liquidity. So what I would be thinking it's actually short side. Exactly. Maybe retest POC here and then dump. And you have the first draw of liquidity here. So something like this. I don't know. I'm just a stupid trader. I have no idea. That's how I see it. Order flow speaking, that's how I see it. Tia reaction. Where? Ooh, Tia. I'm the most stupid trader. No, Paul is the most stupid one, I think. I have to pick another one. There are coins that, I mean, I don't care about the ticker. You have to keep that in mind, guys. I really don't care about what it says here. And if you want to be trading in the league, you have to stop caring about the ticker. You care a lot about the market structure and how they are building liquidity, the direction of the order flow. Why are they doing that? You have to understand to give some attention to this kind of details. I think Bitcoin dominance is dropping because I can see Ethereum pumping, Bitcoin dropping. Yeah. Well, this motherfucker is still in the range, so I'm not expecting great things from it. And actually, we are approaching range lows, and we can pump from here. So let's put a little alarm for our dear altcoins and an alarm here. Others. Not too relevant. Well, I'm glad I managed to short Bitcoin. Now let's see. Keep in mind, guys, with this long here, don't close your short because everything can go belly up We can actually create two equal lows here with a mid-range at 82,000. Or even swing failure 82,000. Let's see. But I don't like the fact that we created big SMT between Ethereum and Bitcoin due to the fact that one swept Monday low and the other didn't. That means quite a violent move will be coming in. Just my 2 cents. Long TIA, short Bitcoin, nothing on Ethereum. The whale started to play. I saw yesterday Bitcoin dominance. What are you doing? Yeah, what the fuck? Dude, this alarm got triggered. Again, we have glitches. How this alarm got triggered? That's 61%. Oh, I think it glitched again. Whatever. Whatever. Well, all the trades are in profits, guys. TIA, I'm long TIA, I'm short Ethereum, Bitcoin. Not bad. Yeah, I saw, Polly. I saw. Maybe they're planning one more drop. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I have no idea. I'm too stupid for that kind of stuff, and I prefer to be like that. And not care too much. I mean, not in the manner that I don't care, but not to take that into account. I'm trading charts and I'm trading patterns, which are making me profitable. The rest, it's absolutely useless in my point of view. It's just noise. Yeah, you can make a strategy around that, but you need a lot of backtesting. I need to see that you're profitable after you execute it 100 times based on that kind of things. I know there was a trader, uh, I can't remember his name. It was a trader that he was only trading this kind of really fast news. I don't know, maybe a coin got something, some inside news, developments, crap like that. And I know it was a dude that made his trading plan revolved around news. But it needs to be exactly like that. Like how I'm teaching you to create a plan each morning. Uh, you need to, he did exactly the same. So he was really fast and executing his trades based on the news. Can you say something about Doge? It feels like I'm on a how do you name it? I'm like on a Balkanic wedding. You gave me the microphone and says say something about Doge, man. Yo, Doge. What can I say about Doge? Uh, yeah, dedication about Doge. Well, I said in the morning that I don't like the structure, and you can actually see that the buyers are getting exhausted and they are losing key levels. Look at this one here. As soon as we flipped it, you can see here we flipped it. Sellers came in aggressively. Then we slowly grind. Look at the, I mean, one candle here on 4 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles. So it took buyers 9 candles to retest one bearish candle. What do you think it means? It means that the bears are strong. And what I see on this one, it's actually a retest back at this, maybe these two equal lows here. most likely. So 0.15, something like that. So dump it. That's what I'm seeing. But was a nice way how you put the question. Can you say something about those? We need to laugh from time to time. It's very good. It's healthy. I really liked how you how you put the question. Uh, well, this inverse head and shoulder might trigger on Ethereum, so that would be good news for Tia. That would be good news for Tia. Okay, guys, I'm holding it 5 more minutes. Plenty of setups. Plenty. We have Tia, everything I mentioned about my squiggly line. This is my line. I spoke with the Delphi Oracle. This is what markets should do, and then pump from here. I'm joking, but liquidity wise, this is what should happen based on all the liquidity and all the market moves that we see on the screen. So right now we can short, even a short of swing failure of the pivot high at 53,500. Then we should dump into 82, or maybe take the Asia low. Who knows? I will long potential swing failure here at the lows 82,000. This area is it's a very good for a quick in and out. Ethereum, I'm really interested in 1,878. I will take this trade here and then target this key level, horizontal level here. TIA, we are long, and that would be it. Setups wise, that would be it. By the way, don't forget, so if you are really into trading and you want to join us, you want to learn, but you don't want to F around, yeah. We don't accept people that are effing around. So if you really want to learn how to trade, I'll teach you. I'll take the time and you will see me live day in, day out trading. But please don't waste your time and don't waste my time trying to uh I don't know, gamble your money or stuff like that, not using proper risk management. I totally advise you not to trade. So if you don't know anything about this kind of things, don't trade. Your money is in your pocket, and I think you are in a way better position just keeping your money in your pocket. Just start and learn. Invest in education. It's way more profitable. It will be way more profitable for you to invest in your education than just randomly take trades from X because that dude said he's long, I'm long. No, it's not working like that. You need to have all the questions in your head answered when you're taking a trade. There has to be absolutely no room for error. Every trade has to be the same or close to the same patterns that you're executing over and over again so you can get the probabilities out. Regarding the Discord, VIP it's closed, so no one can join until 1st of April. PJ on for premium we have 4 more spots. If I'm not mistaken, last time when I checked it was 4. And for the education cup 1 and 2, actually they are closed. So we are not doing any education right now. They are at the middle of the 2024 quarter 1 session. So already the students are embarked and we are learning. I know for the beginners, guys, the difficult trading environment. Don't try to um Randomly put capital. Don't try to randomly execute setups on the market. It will not help you. It will help you 100,000 times more just to put a fib, learn how to put a fib on your chart. If you don't want to take Kappa, you can go on Investopedia. There's multiple areas. Come on our Discord, ask us about education, and we are eager to help. But the people who want to learn, actually, they get far away because they get everything that they want. If you're serious and you want to learn, you get absolutely all the attention and everything that you want in that direction. But if you want to FCK around, then you'll have a pretty hard time and it won't last. That's the thing. Because the idea of Discord is just a community that you're waking up, you go live streaming, and you're scanning for setups day in, day out. And you want to have good people around you. You want to have good attitude, professional attitude, people who are actually interested in nailing that setup in that specific day. And the noise has to be zero. I think it's enough blabbing away. We have some setups. I see Tolga posted already some plans for Bitcoin. I posted Ethereum long, TIA long, which we already are. Ethereum long from the swing failure of this pivot low. And that would be it. We'll hear you in 4 hours from now. PJ will be live in the New York trading session, and we'll catch up in that live stream. Thank you very much for watching, and take care, please. Let's stay with quick scalps in and out. Let's not waste capital on this move, because I don't think that if we get a trade right now, it will be safe tomorrow. No, it will not be safe. Focus. It will not be safe tomorrow. So in and out. Take your profits, put them on your USDC, USDT, you name it, and wait for tomorrow. You don't have an edge, trust me. You don't have an edge, especially if you're scalping 1, 3, 5 minutes. And remember, second best trade after a take profit, guys, you know which one it is? It's actually break even. So second best trade after a take profit, it's break even. Money in your pocket, it's almost as good as taking profits. All right. Guys are crazy. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. If tomorrow never comes, well, that's a whole another story, Bukur. That's another story. I need my tinfoil hat for that one. Thank you very much, guys. Was a nice one. Bye bye.